Want to delete a story on Facebook? Here's exactly how to do it step by step. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. Once you're on the home screen, look at the top where your stories appear. Tap on your story to open it. Now, find the story you want to delete. At the top right corner of the screen, tap on the three dots icon. A menu will pop up with a few options. Here, tap on Delete Photo or Delete Video, depending on your story type. After that, Facebook will ask you to confirm. If your Facebook and Instagram accounts are connected, you might see two options: delete from Facebook only or delete from both Facebook and Instagram. Choose the option that works for you. Then tap Delete to confirm. That's it. Your story will be removed instantly. If you accidentally posted something, it's best to delete it as soon as possible before more people see it. And that's how you delete a story on Facebook quickly and easily.